took them all, even the littlest, dearest magic pony. Little sparkle cakes. Oh, little sparkle cakes. Why would someone take her?
Richard, did you see the girl who stole those dolls?
No.
One.
It happened so fast that I didn't. But I did hear that.
Two.
Voice.
Oh.
Mine.
Oh, it comes after two.
Mine.
4.
4.
Yeah.
1,
Why did you
2,
take the monster?
We.
3.
What Reginald said. You first have to say.
2.
1, 2.
We.
What do you have? Your cars?
1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6.
13.
13? Uh-oh. What's that? The goat? The goat? He's playing with the cars?
Yeah.
Michael. Where's the piggy?
Piggy.
Where's Piggy? From the barn.
A boy.
Where's Piggy?
Boy. Gone.
Gone? Is Piggy in the box?
Boy.
Is Piggy in the box with the cars? Look for him in the box. You see him?
Mama.
What's that?
Cuckoo.
Helicopter.
Cuckoo.
Helicopter.
Car.
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 1,
1,
2,
2,